Now let's take a look at the roof and see if we can get the purlins in here. So I need to load a purlin family in first. So into beam, load family, and there's my Kingspan purlins. Okay, and we will take something like that one there. Now I'll just draw it in so that I know that it's definitely there. Right, now what we're going to do is follow the same procedure here. We're going to set the work plane, and this is going to be the south elevation, which I think is this side here, roof plan. Okay, let's show this. No, that's the wrong one. Okay, that was south elevation. Oh, let's see. South roof, there we go, that's the one that I wanted. Now if I click out, and you can see it's like so. So let's go into a roof plan and show that up here as well. Now okay, so that's active. Now I've changed the view, so I'm just going to double check that I've set the view specific. Okay, those plans are view specific, so when I change to the plan view, I've got to go back in south roof like so. Now I'm good to go. So our structure beam system, can it be used greater? Yeah, I don't, that's fine. I'm going to swap out here now the purlins, the rails for the purlins, and let's get in and draw this then. So, so you can get that intersection point there, and all the way down through here. Okay. Now I'm not going to go as wide here, so I want to come off to about something like that point there. And I'm leaving a bit of a gap there because we're going to be running a valley gutter down there as well. So the valley gutter will sit on the tops of the columns as such. Right, now let's see if this works for us, and making sure that I had the beam direction correctly, that it wasn't going the wrong way there. Now let's get into 3D. Let's turn off that one. Yep, okay. Now, so we have them in position, same as the last time. Right click, select all instances in the view, because they're just purlins. Right, let's do a cross-sectional rotation of 90. It's 180 that I wanted to do. Okay, now you can see they're sitting on top, and whether they're facing the right way or not, I'm not 100% sure, but that's where those ones are. Now, it'd be nice to get one up a little bit tighter in there, if it was possible. So again, I might just copy one across a later stage. Now, it's not as easy to mirror these because they're on a reference plane that's going that way, right? And this reference plane is coming this way. So the simplest solution is just to do the same again using the reference plane that we created for this one here. All right, so that is repeating that exercise. Let's get up into here. And we're going to set the work plane is going to be the roof plan. Okay, like so. And again, if I go into the roof plan here, I'm going to set work plane. I'm going to move from the south to the north roof. I'll go OK. Doesn't look as if there's a difference, but there is. And we're going to now go into our structure, beam system. And we will draw this. Here's the center point there. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. All the way to here. Now, as far as there, and again, leave it a little bit shy, something like that. You can always go in and adjust these at any point afterwards. Adjust the boundaries. Okay, and that's fine. 3D. Now let's select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. We will rotate these 180. Apply. Okay. Now we probably need to rotate those back so that they're facing the same way as these ones are, if you know what I mean. I'm just not 100% sure, is it open or closed, is the direction, but I can find that out and change those at a later point. Now there's my rails kind of done. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if I can copy one of these. Okay, and let's get into, probably should have done this from here. So I'm going to see if I'm moving my arrow keys here, just to get that into, I've done something, I've shifted it off its plane or something like that. So let's see if we can pick that one and copy. So 400, 500. Okay, that's better. Now I know there is a way to change these around. So if I pick one of them, maybe if I didn't rotate them. Okay, I'm just going to go back here. I'll just undo. I have an idea here. So, section 3. Now, there they are in place, okay? So I'm going to select each one. They're facing the right way, and it was because I rotated them that they were facing the wrong way. I'm going to change that Z justification to the bottom, and there they are, they popped up there. Now, perfect, okay? And you saw how we can copy one of these, bring it over, copy one of those, bring it over, and we can do the same here when we, if necessary, before we put it in our insulated gutter situation there. All right, so that's those two completed. That's the purlins and the rails now in position.